Your Weekend Gardener here with another short, and what I'm looking at is my Meiwa sweet kumquat. Last year we had a taste test with some classmates. This year it's budding again. As you can see, all the white buds. I noticed this the other week. There's the first Meiwa, and we have a Meiwa coming right here. So this tree should be fully developed possibly in the winter time. It is now September the 16th, so stay tuned. This tree, this is the third time is fruited or budded. This is gonna have a lot of fruit on it. Wow, this is the most I've ever seen. So pretty soon it's gonna be time to take this in the house. Your Weekend Gardener, and I'm out.